Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I have a little bit of a different video today. I'm doing sort of like an unboxing slash try it out with this new, I guess it's not really new, it's new to me, T3 curling wand. So I purchased the convertible base as well as the cascading waves wand and the polished curl. So the cascading waves is 0.75 to 1.25 and the polished curls is a 1.25 clip barrel. So this one has a clip, this one's a wand. I figured that I would try it out, see what it's like. I will unbox it for you guys right here to kind of see. I have only opened up the cascading one because I just wanted to see what it looked like. So I will open it up and I will see. So it comes with, I'm pretty sure this is a glove. No, this is a book. An instruction booklet probably that it comes with. And then it comes with the base. Oh, there's the glove. So it comes with the base. And then I'm hoping this is a super long cord because I really enjoy how it has the Velcro to kind of keep it all together. Oh yeah, this is perfect. A nice long wand. And then it comes with a glove. So let's open up this glove. I'm not really one to use gloves, so I don't know if I'll really use it, but we'll give it a try. Because you always have to like switch hands and I don't know. I guess it's good for someone who's like doing someone else's hair, but for me, I mean, then I just have to switch it. But it comes with a glove in case, because you never know. So that's the base. And then let's open the polished curls because I'm not using the polished curls today. I want to use the cascading one because it's something different. So the polished curls comes with this base, so I guess it clips. Like, how does this work? In and then, like, I guess it's in. So, and then you just clip it in and has the clip with it, which I haven't used a clip curler in a very long time. So we'll see how this goes, but I'm gonna use the cascading one today for something different. It's really aesthetically pleasing as well. Come on. This one's so light, which is why I opened it first because I wasn't sure like why it was so much lighter than the other ones. But let's see here. Okay. So comes another book. This one intrigued me because it has tighter curls, I guess, at the top. I don't really know how this works. So I'm going to put this one in. Okay, now I get it. So this little notch here actually locks it in place. You actually have to push it to lock it. That would make more sense. Okay, so I'm going to put this stuff away. I'll turn it on and then we will see how this turns out. Okay, so once I plugged it in, it kind of shows this like cascading color. And I never know like, is that the temperature or, because I'm pretty sure you could do different temperatures. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, so what I do is I'm just going to be resting this on my table on the mitt so that way it doesn't burn. Usually I do it in the bathroom, but today I'm clearly not. So I'm going to pin back. I think I'm going to do it in like 2 different sections. Normally I do like really, really tiny sections for my hair. And I find that sometimes it looks like too curled. So I'm going to try 2 sections. I have sprayed a boatload of dry shampoo in my hair because it is not very clean. Okay, so let's try this piece right here. So I'm going to take it, wrap my hair around. It's just a thin piece. I always, when I use no matter like what type of curling apparatus, I always curl away from my face for like the first. Oh, but like I was saying, I always curl away from my face for the first like curl, and then after that I alternate between closer and or towards and away from my face just because I like that more like natural curled look. I'm not holding it there very long, as you guys can tell. This is very interesting. So I haven't needed the wand or the glove just yet. That may change, who knows. So like I said, my hair is filled with dry shampoo today because I didn't want to shower, so I took the lazy way out. This wand is actually like really easy to use. The only thing I'm finding is when you pull it off, because the small pieces at the bottom, I always pull like downwards. So I'm finding that like it's getting caught a little bit on the small part, like when you pull it off, which is just minor details. I mean, like, I'm sure there's other ways that I could be taking, it off. But it's really cool how it's like tight at the top and looser at the bottom. I'm hoping this is more like turns into a little bit more of a beachy wave, because I'm kind of getting tired of the like really like placed curls, if that makes sense. Like I really like the looser look. And whenever I get my hair done, they always do that. But I never know how to get it myself. And like I always ask them, like, what do you do? And they're like, oh, we just use this wand. I'm like, but that's the same wand that I use. And I never had to do it. Okay, so this piece is giving me a trouble. So I'm just going to do one piece. The back is always the hardest. So far that looks pretty good. Obviously I'm going to be spraying hairspray in once I finish this like layer. So not only do I have like a crap load of dry shampoo in here, but I'm going to be putting some Way texturizing hairspray. So that's going to add like a whole lot more. And once I'm done, I'm going to add my earrings. Got my makeup done. So it's giving like a really cool looking like texture to the hair. Which I guess is more or less like the beachy style, because you want the tops to be like a little bit more curly and the bottoms to be like not as curly, if that makes any sense. Getting down to the back, so I'm just going to do this one last piece. I think I'm going to wait till the end to do the hairspray, because then I can kind of like mess it up as I do it at the same time. Okay, so that's the first layer. Looks pretty good. So I'm going to speed it up and I'm going to finish off. So you guys are going to see a super fast motion of what I do next. Okay, so I just finished curling my hair. As you can see, it's very like beachy wave curls. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some of the Way texturizing hairspray to try and hold it before I really burn my fingers through it. Okay, so I'm going to run my fingers through. I don't think I'm going to take a brush through it just because I think the brush would make it look flat. And so far I really like how this turned out. Yeah, I think this is super pretty. I really like the like loose curls, really beachy. Maybe I'll just brush out the ends a little bit so they don't look as like straggly. They've got nice like volume, everything looks good. So there it is. So this was using the Cascading Waves one, and I really like that because it kind of like was tighter at the top and it added like looser curls at the bottom. Okay, so this is how it all turned out. I used some Batiste dry shampoo before I kind of like did my makeup so it had time to set in. I then went in with the T3 Cascading Waves wand, which looks like this, and it's tighter at the bottom, so when you curl it, tighter curls, and then bigger at the bottom. So I really like it. It added like a really nice beachy wave look to my hair, really natural looking. It's not like, oh my gosh, ringlets. Like, I think it's super pretty. The Ouai texturizing hairspray did get added in after, so it can kind of keep its shape and hold its curl and all that kind of stuff. So overall, I think this was a good purchase. I'm really happy with it. So, and I think I like the finish better than my old NuMe wand. So I think that one is going to get passed along to someone else who could probably use it a lot more than I will. So yeah, that's all for the video today. I hope you all enjoyed this like first impression testing out hair care with the new, or not new, but new to me T3 wand. So yeah, that's all, and I will see you on my next one. Bye!